Sir? Sir, excuse me. Question for you, sir. Nandito po ba yung may-ari ng restaurant?
Ako yun.
Ay, ikaw po yun, sir. Nag-interview po kasi kami ng mga business owners for the younger generation. Okay lang po ba kayo ma-interview kahit saglit lang?
Yeah, sure.
Gano'n na po kayo katagal sa food industry?
I've been in the food industry for about a decade now. I was a chef and as a business owner, almost 4 years na rin.
Tagal na. 14 years in total na po.
Yes.
Sa 14 years na yun, sa tagal na yun, sir, ano po yung pinakamalaking kinita natin sa isang taon?
About 7 figures. Yeah.
10 figures. Bigyan niyo ako ng range, sir.
Let's start with the minimum na 1M pataas.
Sa pagpasok natin sa food industry, sir, kailan po natin nakuha yung first million natin?
First year, ROI kaagad ako.
Lakas, sir. Ang lakas. Ilan na po ba yung branches natin dito sa business?
Actually, I had 2 branches. Close lang yung isa, but I have this main branch right now.
Sa tingin niyo, sir, ano po kayang biggest lesson na binigay sa inyo nung nagsara po yung isa nating branch?
You just gotta stay consistent. You just gotta work. That doesn't stop Even if you have failures, wala. You gotta get back up. Just do what you gotta do and, you choose your struggle. And yung struggle na pinili ko is putting up a restaurant.
Wala po tayong ibang atake doon, kundi i-survive lang.
Ganun lang talaga. You choose your struggle,
Next question naman po, sir. Ano po yung turning point natin towards financial freedom?
I was a chef before sa US. No? Then I went home and I decided I really wanted to put up a restaurant. This started during the pandemic.
Naging advantage pa yung pandemic sa business natin or disadvantage?
I don't want to say na advantage siya, no? Kasi may madami nangyari yon with other people. But like during that time, obviously it was an advantage to me kasi online. They were ordering through food delivery platforms a lot. Nag-ROI din kaagad ako in the first year of putting up the business.
Nung pandemic, pagkain talaga hinahanap ng mga tao. No? So, isa to sa mga bumuhay sa atin, lalo-lalo na with the third-party platforms. So last question na lang po, sir. Any advice sa mga viewers natin or sa younger generation na gustong pumasok sa food business?
Complacency is a big dream killer. In the food industry, you have to work talaga. Kung maliit pa lang business mo, especially with mine, some might not agree, but you gotta micromanage everything. You're gonna be the chef, you're gonna be the marketing, ikaw na rin yung naglilinis. If you're complacent with that, think the money's just gonna come in because I have a business. I'm sorry to tell you, but no. It's gonna be a dream killer, like I said, because you're not looking to grow, you're not looking to innovate, you're not looking to adapt to with what's happening in the market. So yan, gotta work, bro.
Actually, kasi pagiging komportable yung papatay sa'yo. And isa sa mga pinakamahirap yung pag-maintain, hindi yung pag-start ng business, no? Thank you so much, sir, for your time.
Yeah.
Pleasure to meet you.
Thanks.